Today we're going to look inside an upgrade Dell Latitude 5401. This is a very interesting laptop because this was originally marketed as a workstation laptop. Right now you can just scoop one of these up from 100 pounds to 180 pounds. For that price, the performance you get is incredible. It has dual charging ports, 130 watt via USB-C and up to 180 watt via traditional round charging port. There's a HDMI port available in case you need a second display for better viewing. This means you will have two displays, one in the laptop and another external one. Very useful for multitasking. We lost the footage of the screen, unfortunately. This laptop has a 45 watt CPU. Usually laptops of this size have 15 watt CPU. With lower wattage, you get lower base and turbo clock. Since this is high wattage, this has higher computing power. To add to the power, this also has a dedicated GPU. While TDP alone doesn't always determine power, but look at the multi-core score differences between our laptop and 2-generation newer 11th Gen CPU. Our older laptop beats the newer low TDP 28 watt processor. The 68 watt-hour battery, even with excellent health, struggles to provide backup more than 2 to 3 hours. So, expect to keep it plugged in mostly. Here we have a slot for cellular module. If you manage to get the right card, this will enable your laptop to use cellular connectivity using a SIM card. Antenna cables are already there. In our opinion, single fan design is not adequate to keep a beefy CPU and a GPU cool under load. It would have been nice to have two fans. Expect fan noise as well as hot air from exhaust vent when under load. We need to get some upgrades done, starting with the RAM. Now we will upgrade the SSD to 1 terabytes.